What's up, people? It's your boy.
J74, yeah.
So today, different content for today. I got my two pistols. I got my Taurus G3c, my Taurus G3, both in 9mm. But today, the goal is to get these Hogue grips on. Now, this one is specifically for the G3c, so it should fit no problem. For the Taurus G3, they don't have one specifically for that one, but they have this one for the CZ-P10. So there may be some slight modifications we need to make it work, but we'll figure that out today. Start with the G3c. Sure it's all clear. Crack this open. Okay, there's a rubbery plastic type feel to it. Feels good. But they say in order to get this on, we need some a lubricant. And we don't want to put an oil on it because it'll stay lubricated and want to come off. So something that will evaporate, something like Windex. It will be slippery while we're getting it on to help with getting the grip on. But if it's ammonia based, it will also evaporate. So that's what we'll do. Well, I got it up and on. It's a little twisted, but I'll work on that a little later. Does feel good though. I will take that. And we will call that good. Now for this next one, I'm gonna do something truly revolutionary and read the instructions that came with it. See if that can make the process go any easier. It says, use the plastic from here, cut a couple of shoe horns to put inside the actual grip, and warm the grip up with boiling water to make it easier. So that's what we'll try. Oh, this took no time to get on. And you can see it's all the way up. It fits, but I got some trimming to do because this is bigger than this grip. But it's all the way on there. That, and I think I lost my plastic strip. That one's in there somewhere. I don't think nothing's coming off though, so I'm gonna leave it. This one will come out because it's right there. But now I gotta trim that down somehow. I got this box cutter blade. Probably needs to be sharpened a little bit. But let's see. Okay. In there already. So now after fooling around with it for a little bit, get my box cutter on it. Got a little clearance in there. Looks all right. Feels real good. Now just to check to make sure everything does what it's supposed to do without any interference. Same thing for this one. We got them on. I'm satisfied with them. This one was an excellent fit since it was a direct fit. Next time I'll read the instructions and boil it or do whatever else I need to do first. I think it would have fit fine without the plastic. Just the lube and the boiling probably would have worked. And this one, since they don't make the Hogue for this particular gun, this still worked out good. This fine trimming at the end that I did is not excellent, but it's not bad at all. I'm satisfied with it. So stay tuned. The next thing I got to do, I got about 1,000+ rounds through the G3 and maybe 300 or so through the G3X. But that's all the target rounds. It seems like this one doesn't like to load hollow points. I only have one particular brand right now, but in my next video for my guns, I'm going to get a few different brands of hollow point 9 and put them through there. So if I'm going to carry it, I need to be sure that it's going to run and see if I can get something that's malfunction free. So that'll be the next video, 4 or 5 different brands of hollow point going through here and make sure that everything is still reliable. Everything's been flawless so far at the range with the practice rounds, but for real life, if I ever need it, I want to be sure. So I got to get what I need to get. So if you stay ready, then you don't have to what? You don't have to die.
Jimmy 74, yeah.